Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really fun shadow box for you. This is my summer collage shadow box. How much fun is this design? You have all those fun little things that really just scream summer. You've got the hat, the palm trees, the foliage, the watermelon, the fruit, the umbrellas, the popsicles, just really fun. This one has a good amount of layers, but don't worry, it's not intimidating and comes together really simply. I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, your weeding tool, scraper, brayer, your shadow box, glue or adhesive if you want to glue the different layers together, foam squares if you want to add some dimension between those layers, and then your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Summer Craft Party 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using, which is 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using this on a card or in a different size shadow box, you can change the size in the sizing window. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I've gone ahead and cut everything out, and now it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together, but from back to front, you're going to start with the light blue, light green, darker green, red, yellow, and then the dark blue. Now you can add foam squares to all of these layers really if you wish. I am not going to do that. I'm just going to layer everything inside the shadow box, but I really think that it would look great if you put foam squares behind every layer except for the solid color. I'm going to go ahead and grab my shadow box. Now I did already put the little pins that come with this particular shadow box into the backing, and that helps push everything forward. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute. And now I'm just going to go ahead and layer everything inside the shadow box. There we go. Take the backing piece, place it in and close up the shadow box. And there is our summer collage shadow box. Isn't that so fun? Wasn't this so much fun to make? I really love the design. It just has all those different things around. It's just really, really cute. It would make an excellent card as well. Maybe to a beach party or a summer get-together, backyard party, something like that. Really, really fun. I hope that you make it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.